This is Brickhead Boy Toy Reviews, and be warned, this is not a brick toy. This is a Britain's 132 scale John Deere combine harvester. It's an S690i. So as you can see, this is the front, 132 scale, die-cast metal. Here's all the features. And here's a picture of the actual model for the vehicle itself. Let's open this up. So here's the model in a 360 view. Time to add up some attachments. And to give you an idea of a 132 scale, what it would actually be like, if this was a 6-foot guy in real life, this is how big the combine would be. So let's add in Bigfoot, size comparison, and a big rig. So that would be the size of the combine. So all of these being 132 scale, these would be the actual sizes in real life compared to that person. Impressive, isn't it? So here's the model in a nutshell. I got this simply because I have combine harvesters, and this one, especially this, has the tracked version, which I have 3 now, and this is a European model, so they don't sell this in the States. I got this on Amazon.uk and shipped to the States with shipping included for 50 bucks, roughly, or 52 bucks. So definitely worth it. I would say this isn't really for kids, it's more for display. So it says 3 and up on the box, but this is very nice indeed. And that concludes my quick review. This is Brickhead Boy. Thanks for watching.